Unplug your LG TV from the wall socket or from the power strip. Even if it's turned on, this does not matter. Simply pull the plug. Now you can set this aside, and we need to find the power button that is located under your LG TV. Sometimes it's right under the LG logo, but other times it's on the right side or the left side. Let me show you. If I flip the TV, you're gonna notice over here, there's a button. You need to keep pressed this power button during 30 seconds. So keep it pressed. Even if the TV is turned off, this will simply drain the remaining energy that was still stuck in the TV. After 30 seconds, you can release this button. Now, before plugging the TV back, you need to wait at least 10 minutes. So be patient, put this down, and come back after 10 minutes. When it's time to reconnect your LG TV, I suggest you do not use any power strip. Sometimes these are causing the problems. They are not able to distribute enough power to your TV, and this is why you may have issues. So this is why I recommend you plug your TV directly into the wall socket. Sometimes these can get defective as well, so if you're still having an issue, try plugging it in another one.